Soren, he's watching all the swiftwater things happening here in the valley today. Soren and I are live at the wash, where the waters are flowing. Hey, look at this, for example. Kick this in. How fast it goes. Here, we'll take this stick, and it's gone. So anywhere where there's high water, don't even attempt to cross it. Why lose your life? Right, kitty cat? We're definitely watching the waters run here. Here, make a nice sit. Make a nice sit, kiddo. It's dry up here. Even in an emergency event, my boy keeps his calm. And says, Tone, why? Why are you doing this to me? Tone, I want to be in-house. Inside? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est house? Sprechen Sie house? Sprechen Sie Hauser? Who's my buddy? Who's my brave guy? Live at Tackwoods Creek.